The piano is a percussion instrument, so we can use it like that. Every rhythm we can tap, like left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. If you use that in chords, it would sound like this. And we can play a song with that. So we don't have to play the bass and the chord always together. We can, very simple, implement a rhythm. When we have a good rhythm to tap, and mostly the left hand is on the one, to have a firm bass, the rhythm will work. Download the PDF with all the rhythms and give it a try. Later on, you can use this in the harmonic progressions. There's another part on the website in routines which is about common chord progressions. Add rhythm and you have more music. Enjoy.